Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. The motive of today's video is to show you how can we work with inner joins in MySQL and how this concept applies on multiple tables or two tables in MySQL. All right. So I'm doing this on Ubuntu, which is one of the distributions from Linux, and I have downloaded VirtualBox on my Mac operating system, and from there I am doing it on Ubuntu terminal. All right. So this is the Ubuntu terminal that you are right now seeing the screen, and I am in the starting page of it. All right. So just to log in MySQL with the root user, you just have to type in sudo MySQL, and right. It's going to ask you for the password for the first time, but since I was already working in, I have already put in my password before this, so it didn't ask me to enter the password for the second time. But if you are logging in for the first time, it's going to ask you for the password for sure. All right. So see MySQL, that means we are in MySQL now, and to actually show you how inner joins can work in MySQL, I will have to create two tables for that for you. So this is going to help you to see how tables can be created in MySQL as well. All right, so let me first of all see how many databases are there in this machine by using show databases command. So there are some default databases and some databases that I have created. So let's say if I want to use a database training, I'm going to use command trai and the name of the database. All right, so database changed. Now we are in training database. And if I have to see if there are tables already in this database, I can use show tables command. Unfortunately, the database is empty. There are no tables inserted in this database. So we'll have to create two tables to test inner join here. All right, so let's create a table. Create by using create command table and name of the table. Let's say loan, which will be very, very easy to show you, and it wouldn't be time consuming. All right, one of the attribute can be loan id here, which can be of integer data type, and it can be a primary key, and we are going to auto increment it. Auto increment generates a unique number every time when a data is inserted in the database. That's the function of this keyword auto increment. And if you want me to create a video on auto increment and some other important keywords which can be used in MySQL, or if you want me to create a video on data types as well, then let me know in the comment section. I'll happily do that for you. All right. Right now, let's work on this table. So another one can be branch, which can be variable character of around 100 characters, let's say, and another thing here can be amount. Amount can be of integer data type. Close the parentheses. We are going to use very few attributes here, because if we if we create hefty amount of attributes, it would be really time consuming, and which can be boring for you and for me as well. Okay, query. Okay, that means we are able to create a table. Now to see which attributes have we created, we can use this describe command, and the name of the table was loan. Okay, so we have created a table here. Now we can insert few values into this table by using insert command. Insert into the name of the table, insert into table, branch, amount. I'm not using loan ID. Why? Because this is a primary key and we are already using auto increment with it. So we don't have to enter the unique values here, because it's going to automatically insert values here. That's the That's the functionality of this keyword. And we're going to use values here. Put values in these two attributes. Branch is of variable character. It can be, you have to put in the single quotations. Let's say branch name is Delhi, and amount, say, let's say 1000. Okay, so we are able to insert data data into the table. Let's insert one more row. Let's say Noida 2000. Another value, let's say a Tamil and 3000. All right, so we have inserted three values here. Let me see the details now. Select select, select all from loan. Okay, so we have created one table. Now let me create another table to show you guys how inner join can be applied on those two tables. Let's say customer here, customer table. Okay, can have loan ID, can be of int, and can be primary key of that table. We're now going to auto increment it, and customer name can be of text data type, close parentheses and semicolon. We have created another table, describe customer. All right, now let's insert some values here as well. Insert into customer, insert into customer, what, loan ID. We have to enter loan ID here as well because we haven't added that keyword auto increment. All right, so now you will be getting some details about this keyword as well, which is good. Loan ID and customer name values. So loan ID can be integer, which can be one, and let's say the name of the customer A is Dave. Perfect. Let's add another value here. Name of the customer can be Mike. Let's add another value here. 4. I haven't entered 3. I will uh, I will let you know why when I am going to apply inner join on these two tables. The name of the customer can be, let's say, Scott. All right, let's test the value that we have put in from customer. Perfect. So we have values here. Let's now focus on our main concept, which is inner join. Press Ctrl L to clear the screen, and you select star from loan to display the tables, and select star from customer as well to display second table. Now we are going to apply our main concept, which is inner join. What inner join does is inner join takes values, only those values which are matching on both the tables. Okay, let me show you practically. Select, you can use select command, select all from loan, select all from loan, and inner join the name of other table, which is customer. Okay, select loan, inner join customer, and then on loan id, because loan id is present in both of these. Here we have 1 2 3, and here we have 1 2 4. So we do not have any value for 3 in the table number 2. So what inner join does is inner join is going to ignore that value. Okay, is going to ignore the value for 3 and 4. All right, let me show you how. That equals to customer dot loan id, Let's see. Okay, so we have one, two only. Why? Because there is no loan ID 3 in customers table, and there is no loan ID 3 in loan table. All right, so it has taken the values which are present in both the tables. All right, so that was the inner join concept. And if you want me to tell you how left join works, right join works, and how full outer join work, I'll be glad to show you that. All right, just let me know in the comment section. I would have loved to show you that on this video, but this video is going to be extended by some 10 or 15 minutes more. I do not want to bore you guys, so I can create some short videos in future. Just let me know in the comment section. That would be appreciated. If you want to give me any feedback, you are welcome to share that as well. So for today, I think that's it. You have a great time ahead. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.